You know how long I hear them bird there? Bird. But what on people, you don't know boy. JNL. Back at it again with another vlog. You see me? I'm known you can tell by the title of the video. Your boy, I go Canada, you see me, for the first time. Yo, watch you know, a years more I go Canada, bro. Like, more I go Canada for years now. Like, when I say years, I mean like since YouTube, I start YouTube, before YouTube. You get what I'm saying? And the next thing is I have a niece and nephew at Canada. I have a big brother at Canada. You understand? And my niece always I say, uncle, when are you coming? When are you coming? You see me? She's like 12, 13 now. You see me? My nephew probably like 16, 17. So you know him now got depend on the uncle thing. You understand? So she's always saying, yo, uncle, when are you coming? And I'm like, next year. And I'm like, soon. And then she's like, you always say soon, but you never come, blah, 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 this and that. You know what I mean? So I'm glad to finally, you see me, finally I get to see her. You know what I mean? But oh, me I go see her, me I go surprise her. You see me? So I link her mother. You see me? Talk to her mother, talk to my brother. You know what I mean? I make them know, say, yo, watch her now. I plan for surprise Naya. You understand? I want to know, go with the flow. Now, I'm supposed to go away from July. You see me? But through me there, do some little thing, we never get to do that. Tomorrow, Wednesday, October the 1st, I'll be flying to Canada. You see me? But watch out now, I'm there pack some clothes. You see me? I'm there do some little packing. You know what I mean? Yeah, shirt, this and that, and this are some seasoning. You see me? Some celery and season to the bone. You know the good seasoning. You get me? I say? Shorts over here, so shoes. You know what I mean? My equipment them. You know what I mean? My next suitcase over here, so. You see me? So don't watch the bed, you know, it's a mess. It's a mess. You know when time nobody a pack for go foreign, you get me? I say like the bed I got always be a mess. So some more clothes in this. You know what I mean? 2 more pair of shoes, underpants, socks, and them look something there. But me not finish packing it because you know me don't want to forget none. So me I give myself from now. So it's currently 10:17. You see me? So by 7 o'clock tonight, I'm supposed to pack and then now I go back in a suitcase. Watch out now, I'll connect with you tomorrow morning, which is the morning of my flight. And I mean, me have a 10:30 flight or 10 o'clock flight. You see me? So you know me have up from like 6, 7. Them time there, you see me? So you don't know me, I gotta link up with Bricks car. Bricks are gonna bring me at the airport. Morning time people, morning time. So it's currently 6 minutes after 5, up from after 4. You see me? I go through my suitcase. I make sure I say everything good, everything pack. You see me? Make little changes, take out some things I'm gonna really have to bring. You see me? Put in something I really think me I gonna need or want. You see? So yeah, so right now, this is my clothes I put on. You understand, as you know, I'm done pack already. Shoes, everything well packed. You need to put this in my bag. So what is the answer? Hey, you see when you have packed for going to the airport, I tell you take up all kind of sitting and even realize, you know. To the way how you try, if you don't left nothing, you take up something. You see me? Yeah, so I make sure I say my roll and don't get left. And my toothpaste. You see me? Because that toothpaste are the best toothpaste for me. You understand? I tell you like, I can literally brush my teeth on my bed. You understand? And wake up and not brush my teeth and go through the whole day. I ain't smell my breath. You see me? No, for real. No, like for real, man. And then the toothpaste don't agree with most people because it's strong. You understand? I want it if strong. I want it blast out every little thing there. You understand? Finally ready. You understand? Just show Bricks and tell him say, yo, ready up. You see me? It's currently 5:37. Ready? Just tell me like how's the drip? How the drip? On Godspeed. How the drip? Oh, now see it good? Hold on. How the drip? Tell me that look. You see me? I don't know, I have my alien shoes, you know. You see me? I know now see it good. You know what I mean? But you don't know, when I go to a foreign country for the first time, you understand, you have to make sure the drip dripping. You see me? I have to make sure it's the drip dripping, but I show now how outside look right now. But you know 5:30 something. You know 5:30 at the early morning, early hours, you know. So this is outside currently. You see me, you see daylight at take time peep through. As soon as Biggs forward, you know what I mean? I connect back with the squad. But your boy up and ready. When I call Biggs never had sleep. Look like he might do some trade, because he never trade, you know. You understand? You remember the Forex trading? I tried that one at a time. And it never turn out how it's supposed to turn out. Alright people, so watching daylight out. So I can finally see the drip good. Make me know what I think about the drip. And the modern drip, you see me? The modern drip. Watch it pre. See the shoes there? Still not see the shoes good, but that's how it go. I mean, still there away upon bricks.
Where you go?
Yo, where you go?
No, yeah.
No man, sing it.
Oh, say, can you see? Oh, Canada. Yeah, that's another film on them.
I don't know what I think.
Well, anyways, you know, this is the Canada vlog.
Mm-hmm.
Jane and I go Canada, and I bring me. I said so.
People, remember telling them say, yo, bricks did for forward, you know, but
See, that's it.
I have some business to do.
Like I go into the 6.
Mm-hmm.
And these, and I never say, but you know, you could have made my forward, dog. And I got a 6, and I just you. You should make my shot run. That's how it go. Or still, we are open on the town at the time. So I sent Jane to come scope up the plate.
Yeah.
And then I don't know, next time, shall be in it, so. And funny enough, we'll do this sooner than later. Maybe me end up there over there when Jane done your cars. I say if I say I read me, I just cut too. Yeah.
Yes, as before, they just dig off.
Yeah man, as you dig off, I just dig in up there. Flying. Yeah. Now the 6, I'm hoping not cool though. I'm gonna pull up.
I hear say, in the daytime, sun a shine,
Is it cool?
but it cool.
Mm-hmm.
But in the night, it cold.
Oh, that's how I'm ready to
I can't take the bipolar with that thing, you know, man. But
that's why just bring a jacket, man.
you don't know, we just reach our airport run about.
Yeah, you know, let's get back at Tram at the airport.
Oh.
So police board will let me put that airport security over there, over there, man. So now he's got down some drive my park. Who travel regular know the police over there stay? You never can park for 5 seconds, brother. But anyways, oh, faith and you see. Okay, that one knows that is not the one thing, dog.
So what?
I think American team that's another.
America?
Yeah, bro, some. No, it's a Canadian team and some French team.
That one right there is a violation, right go?
That right there is a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it. But no worries, still, I want to come here and say Trump the wire. Yeah, Mr. Trump. If you want to add. No, we're not saying bad about Trump, you know.
Yeah.
Cut that out.
I know, I got it, man. I got it. Come on, do nothing more.
Anyways, Trump was, you know, Mr. President. No one for you know.
No.
If them know, so yeah, this is the dog, no way, and you come to airport, just know your career.
The visa
get took. I heard that, you know, they wanted to make Canada like someone in a part of America. Well, I don't know if it happened, but you know that part they go, and they're going on that. My teeth, you don't know they're in the 40. Right now, I'm even for there, sir, them bad me, but you don't know. How we fell all there. You ask to see police board will lock me up too, you see him van there. So they will have no problem with that. Because I must say, I write a song for and I'm clamp in the car. Yeah man, so it's the right.
I don't know though. Reach up some mechanic.
I like what you are doing that, because I was saying me and father is a cut. That day, I'm going to hold off the ground still. So big up your Canada. Shout out from, what is it, the 7 to the 6?
8-7, yeah.
876 to the 6.
Yeah.
We just smarty cities. I'm going to show the dog around the place and make the dog know. So, yo, Roscoe. So, do you right?
Yeah, bro. Alright, people, I go up on the inside, I know, you see me? You know, I'm not going to manage with them too, but we can't manage. Ain't nobody. Squad, so I don't know, just check in. I mean boarding time at 9:15. You see me? So let's see what time it is now. 12 right now, you see me? So we have a good look at time.
One with service into Punta Cana or remaining passengers, please make your way down to gate number 8 for boarding. Thank you.
Squad, I pre-war, go on. Yeah, I'm still there, wait, you see me? I'm telling you what time. 8:24, you see me? So I still have a good look at time. You know, I have to board 9:15.
Flight 1060 to JFK Marine Group.
I'm just there, I'm kind of hungry, but I feel like I'm going to wait until we reach before I grab something to eat. You see me? I don't want to go nowhere, you know? I do nothing at all. You see me? Next thing I have to go. I have to go left my bag yesterday and go this, and I forgot trouble with the 2 bags them just to buy something to eat, and then I have to bring whatever I buy to eat, go back, go sit down. You understand? So I just have to wait in me. I land over so. You see me? And do the right. Yo, Canada. JNL. There. Well, when I'm there, well, when I watch it, when I watch a video, I'm there. But for right now, I'm soon there. I'm there to Uno. But I'm not there yet. Can I get it? Yeah. Watch out now. Each and every time, you see me? Like a board a flight, going to a different country. You see me? I always pray. You know what I mean? And I always give God thanks. You see me? Because I never grew up knowing that one day I'll be on a plane. You see me? A lot of people don't know how I grew up. You understand? Situation, you know? Or the tough, or the rough and them thing there. So in my mind, I never think about plane. You see me? But I love to go up and plane them time there. But in my mind, I never think about plane. You see me? So now that we get older now and I do the right thing, you see me? And I board flights and them things.
We now welcome our zone.
You know, we have to thank God.
You customers to board into the general boarding lane out of the departure gate 4. Thank you.
We have to thank God. You see me? I'm going to big up each and everybody we are watching right now. Enough love, enough respect. As I say, I'm there, I wait. You know, I watch Cayman Airways, Inter-Caribbean, and I saw a private jet just flying around the go. You see me say, I don't know, I go fast. I want to see a home mind, tell me say a popcorn. But I don't know still. Can't be anybody. You see it. But you don't know. I'm there, I wait my squad. You see it, as soon as I boarding time, I connect back with them again. You see me, yo, Canada, bro, like, yo, hey, you know, hey, you know how long more I got Canada, bro? You think I know more about Canada? Years, bro. Years. More I go Canada before me even go to the US. You see me? Swear.
Let's see, ever check out your blog there.
Cool, man.
Keep doing it, my friend.
Yeah, man.
It's a good look, man.
Yeah, man. Safe flight.
Safe flight as well.
Alright, people. So you don't know. We look for gate. We look for gate 9. You see me? So I'm sure they're not the right place. They are the right place. Yo, pretty this. Jojo. Nah, really sure still, but I don't know. But one of the greats them, you know? You got Virgo, Bears, Gang, all that Chronix. They look like Chronix. Don't tell me if a Chronix that, because I'm not sure. But they look like Chronix to me. You see me? I don't know my people. Once I go through that tunnel, you know what that means? I can board the flight right now. You see me?
Morning. 22 on the left by the window.
Thank you.
How are you?
Oh, okay. Finally section. See me? I just see the plane lift off. There in the sky. You know what I mean? And then we're there Canada. You know what I mean? Canada, we are forward. Canada, we are forward. You don't know Bricks. You know, Bricks supposed to watch this and I say, yo, JNL cut left me. But we're there with people. We just check in. You understand? Up on the flight and all. You know? It's a great feeling, bro. Anytime I'm there on a plane, it's like I feel like I accomplished something over and over again. Jenna land. You see me? I think we all go through customs right now. You know what I mean? So I do the right. Yo, but they Canada dog, like yo. I can't believe, bro. JNL, they are Canada. A mad thing. So people watching now. They are wait for my bag all long. You see me? I look for my bag and can't see it and I say wait. And I got them got my bag. You see me? And I got them got my bag. But them say carousel number 10. So number 10 they open so. You see me? So grab my bag, dip on the move. You see me? Book up on one of my cousin bridging. You see me? So me and him are going to end up travel. Go to the same place, literally go to the same place. You see me? Hopefully. See what I'm doing.
For information of our passengers who have arrived from Dublin on Aer Lingus flight EI-127, your bags are currently offloading on carousel number 11.
The people, the place is so cool. It's cool, but it's not cool. Thank God. Glad for that. Can't believe the coolness, bro. Yo, squad, watch on, man. Forward that. Now I'm on the international airport. Dog see me. Dog know my family, which is my cousin where I go to. You see me, and the dog say, watch on, me a yard roll, watch out. Me have a Uber forward, or I do the right. You see me? Dog link my cousin I say, yo, you know, say I know I'm gonna get the car forward. So I just, you know, gotta work, you know what I mean? You see me, G?
I say you go, man, I'm learning from your youth, you know.
Yeah.
I want to take your phone when we look and say, yo, subscribe to my YouTube and play me do all the box them. You know, I'm late. Me I tell. That
I hope so?
Yeah. Yeah, from them long time.
So I don't remember. I want to go from memory.
I mean, I remind you.
Yeah.
So every day I city, I don't want to say we can go up and tour, see me, you see me?
Yeah. That is it. So watching the people, we are waiting for the Uber. You know what I mean? As soon as it's forward, connect back with you again. You know what I mean? Temperature nice too. Temperature nice still. It, you know, cool and it's not hot in there. You know, it just, you know, for the Pennsylvania right now, a problem.
AC weather.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man. Yo, people, you can't believe, say, we are waiting for an Uber. You see me? From we're there at the airport, the man says 7 minutes. 7 minutes time I reach. You understand? 7 minutes past now. R5, 7 minutes, bro.
3:55 away I hear that.
And we're still there, see you. You get me? But watch out. You have to go cancel, book a next one. A joke thing, bro. You see me? But you don't know people, as we say, we are 6, you understand? Canada, the first time. So make sure you look out for some plug. Oh, yeah. So make sure you look out for some plug.
Yeah.
What you say? They say, yeah. That's some of them see them. When they say that, I'm not really getting it. They say, oh, yeah, I smile it off.
Smile off, yeah.
You see, but people, you don't know, we're nice 6 man. People them nice though, now, like, when me in America vlog, you know. But now we're buying a camera, you understand? Yeah, but you don't know, we're nice 6 man. People, look on the place nice. Look on the place. The place nice, people. Nice. Yeah, but me now like to get cold still. It'll get cold now still. Now I'm in a short pants. In a short pants and tall socks. That's what I do to myself. But we there wait, because we can't do nothing other than wait. You understand? Yeah. So we're so forward again with people. So forward. One thing, you know. One thing, every car over here clean.
What did you put in here? It's 55 pounds. It's 55. Yeah. Exactly 55 pounds. Did you put it in chin block,
I would like to avoid it, but if I avoid it,
Stuck.
Oh, then
they're gonna reduce the money.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Okay.
So what it is, my
Oh,
friend.
yeah, they charge you for it, yeah.
Did it show there?
Yeah, it's showing.
How much?
I'm not even sure. It's not showing the
amount.
yeah. It just shows that we should go on the tour.
Meanwhile, the total amount is how much? They charge you $30 something dollars?
Maybe 40 something.
something. Oh no, these people are killing. These people are killing us. You know, I'm getting only $16.
Oh yeah.
And they're charging you that
What?
much. So. Yeah, it's no more mental slavery. It's a bodily slavery. It's labor slavery. Oh Jesus Christ! You know I forgot.
Serious making forth in every dimension.
Yeah, man, people don't know. Because they give me a plate of food, when I eat nothing for a morning, so I have to mash it up. You see me? Yeah, man, squad, I don't know anything set. I don't know, as I said, JNL not the 6, as I say. JNL not the 6. You know what I mean? You stop around at the charger yard. You see me? I drop off him suitcase and grab a sweater. You know what I mean? So you don't know, I just out there, so I take a look. You see me? Nah, like still, to be honest, Canada nice still. You see me? I like how the place look. You know what I mean? I show no what I go on. Don't know if you see what I go on. You see me? Canada actually nice, bro. You see me? Yeah, it's actually nice. So I don't want to think me I say Pennsylvania no nice. You see me? US nice, Canada nice too. I not like, but it's not as cool as me expect. No joke, it's not as cool as me expect. So the G that asked me if I want to go in a city is me that where the CN Tower there. You see me? That's a downtown. You see it? And I say no man, we can go on next day. You know what I mean? I'm not going to do everything today. You see me? I remember some more vlog phone, so you don't know. I have to just do it in a sequence. You understand? So today I vlog something, tomorrow I try vlog something, or the other day. You know what I mean? But you don't know what they are, man. You know, like the surrounding nice, bro. Like overall, you see me? Overall for day are foreign, just feel nice. You see me? But I like everybody experience foreign, bro. Like no one can tell by the how the place look and the lighting and everything, bro. Foreign nice, you see me? But I need to get to me, my niece, mother, because I forgot surprise my niece, you see me? So later I go call her, and I don't know, probably I have to go jump on an Uber, go look for my niece or something. You don't know, but anything, man. Anything. You don't know in I-6. So we'll go back around at the dog workplace. You see me? Look man on the bicycle. Ride safe, okay? Yeah. Yo, this call like a move, bro. I move alone, I see them something. You see me? I'm there in Jamaica, I see white pitney ride bicycle, I ride past, I come from school, you know, bro. You see me? Just know, say, at Jamaica, hear me? A movie alone, I see them thing there, you know. You see me? Yeah, bro, but it's a great feeling, man. I like everybody to experience it. You know what I mean? So, just do the right. You see me? Do the right. Forward or foreign. You see me? Jump on a plane. You know what I mean? Jump on a plane. Do the right. It's nice. It's nice. Like, no joke. It's really nice being out here. And I'm not like, people look for me like them and say, yo, what is this guy doing with a camera? You see me? And to be honest, if you never know, in Canada, there's not a lot of YouTubers and stuff like that. Like how in the US, you just see speeder walk with a cameraman. You just see people are vlogging in the US and them thing there. You see me? In Canada, you don't see that. You get what I say? So if you come to Canada, if you come stay for around 4 months and put in some work, bro, it come like me, I'm gonna be Canada content creator, like the content creator in Canada. If there's any content creator in Canada, you see me, drop it in the comment section. If anything, we can link up. You see me? Oh, that's all. Drop it in the comment section. If anything, we can link up with them and put in some work. 45. Alright, let's see what I go on here. So. Let's see how Jamaican it be. Alright, it's Jamaican, watch out. See there? Yeah man, it's a go on. Yeah man. See there? It done, it verify. Yeah, see me? Verify, man. You verify. Hold on now. People, let's see what going on, so. Watch out. See what going on. See there? Yo, I feel like say I yard me there, bro. YouTube. Yeah. People, when they see this I yard, you know, man. Yeah, we see thing I yard, but not in a buckle. Oh, hold on. So watch out, people. When they are yard, you see me? I will see thing all the while, but watch out now. This is a pink thing. You see me? So for the man who love the pink thing, I phone juice this. You see me? If you don't love the pink thing, I phone juice is the man them. You see me? Me go with the green one. You see me? Me second with that one. You see me work with that one. You know what I mean? Yeah, but the pink thing after some of them. How them pig foot are so big, man? Yeah, look for them big. Look for them pig foot. Watch all that one. See that one? That big like my head, bro. Like no joke. Yeah, you know, definitely Jamaican for sure. Buster, tropical rhythm. Like, yo, I ride place me there, cause watch out now. When I feel for something Jamaican, I can say, yeah, at my place, you know, I feel at home. You see me, so I can forward as I come do some shopping and do the right thing. You see me? Alright. People don't know. Some fish, you know, porky fish, doctor fish. You see what I say? Parrot fish. All type of fish there. Fish are big down there, someone. People look on that one here. Look, nice size. Nah, catch you in, bro. You want to know your face, bro? Eh? Have the good old grapes. You know, so I feel like I want a pack of this, though. I feel like I want a pack of this. I feel like I want a pack of grapes. You see me? When I know I go when it comes to my fruit, definitely want them grape here. You see me? I see if I can grab nothing else. See if nothing else there, I can grab. I see apple. I have to take out and put in a bag. Work with them. You see me? 5 of them. And some grape. Because to be honest, you know, from what my body not feel right. You see me? I feel like I chew my too, you know, with the fruits. You see me? I want a juice. You see me? I feel for a thing. I want the one night buckle. No, not the pink thing, The green thing. Alright, I'm gonna try the thing. Yo, I know say it probably tastes the same like the regular plastic buckle thing. You see me? But I just feel like treating a buckle probably have a different type of vibe. Probably have a different type of taste. You see me? But we are gonna try it and see what I go and feed. I tell the people, let me say, yo, the thing in a plastic buckle probably tastes different than this one. It tastes different? A little bit. Slightly. For real?
Yeah, a glass buckle.
See? People, I mean, they are fuck with you and say, yo, it probably tastes different, but me I say, it's the same thing.
It's almost the same thing.
Oh, yeah, I say.
The glass change the flavor. That's
true.
Oh,
yeah, sir?
See back one and they'll be, you know?
You sure? No, man, this more and try that one. Yeah. Try that one. What? Them deer, okay? Let's have a look at something for now. And my cousin a chef, you know, so you know food I always do there. You see me say, you don't know, I just have a look at fruits, then look at grape, I'm look at apple and thing. You understand? You hear me say I got apple and thing, I'm literally have a thing in that book. Yo, watching the people. I make a move again. Welcome people, done here boy, JNL. So if you make it to the end of this video you just watch, which is the vlog with me going to Canada or coming to Canada, because I'm still currently in Canada right now. You know what I mean? So the reason I make this video is because I want to know say I have a different channel, you see me? Where I put in a lot of work on, you understand? And I know say 98% of my fan base subscribe to this channel. You get me? So I say that we say this. Please go and subscribe to my vlog channel where if I go Canada, you see me, America, if I go Jamaica and go river, I go do this, I go party, this or that, you see me? That is the channel where you can go see them video there, you see me? Maybe not promote it on the channel, but most people now go over there go subscribe. You know what I mean? But the channel name is JNL Vlogs, you see me? I put it on the screen. You get me? So whenever I now upload on the main channel, you see me, they over JNL Vlogs, I upload vlogs. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I want everybody will make it to the end of the video and see this. Just go over to the channel, you see me? I'm going to leave it in the description. And also in the comments, you see me? So I'm going to leave it alone in the description so you can do the right, you see me, and go over there, go subscribe. I want everybody will support JNL. You see me, go subscribe to my vlog channel. Vlog channel currently the 20K. You know what I mean? And by the time when you see this video, if everybody go subscribe, hopefully me there at 30, 40, 50K. You know what I mean? Because I will be doing a lot of video over there. You know? So as I say, I'm currently in Canada. You see me, I enjoy myself. And on that channel, I have about 4 videos since I come to Canada. On the channel, I upload one yesterday. You know what I mean? So I'm going to upload this today for inform when I say go subscribe to the next channel. You see me? So I want everybody go over there and go subscribe. JNL Vlogs. I'm going to put a thing there on the end of the screen so you can click on the video with me. I go to Canada or anything at all. You see me? So enough love, enough respect. Me, I beg you to go over there. Go subscribe to the channel because some video they over there you want to never see before. You know what I mean? So if you don't know see me, I'm over there. So big up on yourself. I appreciate the love and the support for years. You see me? Yeah, I appreciate it. No joke. Enough love, enough respect. And you don't know your boy Jane, and as usual, you see me? I'm out.